welcome back to my channel. Today we have another palette review, and this is Private Society Smoke Show. And here is the palette. There you go, sorry with the glare. Okay, so anyways, if you are new to my channel, then you do not know that what I usually do for these first impression try-ons is I try as many eyeshadows on as possible on my eyeballs from the palette, and this one has 12 shadows. I don't know how successful it's going to be, because if you look at the palette, this half could easily be one look, that half can easily be one look, so I'm not really sure how that is going to go down, but we're gonna try. I am going to go swatch these so we can look at the colors, and I'll be right back. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get all 12 because some of them, I just don't know. But we're gonna go ahead and try. So the very first color I am going to go with is Bear right here. Okay, so next I am going to go in with Siren and then Hot to Trot in the creases of my eyes. Okay, so we're going to deepen that up even more with Knockout. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go back on the eyelids with this color right here, Hot and Bothered, and then I'm going to go back in with Temptress. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go back into the creases a little bit more. I think what I am going to use is a little bit of this Vixen color and a little bit of Bombshell, just to make it a little shinier. Okay, so now what I am going to do, can find the right brush. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with 50 Shades and Troublemaker under my eyes. Okay, so now I am going to, let me look at this real quick. I'm going to use the Bombshell and the Blew My Mind over top of the matte shadows I just laid down under my eyes to give them some sparkle. Okay, so the last color that I haven't used is Lingerie. I'm going to put that in the inner corners of my eyes, possibly highlight my brow. I'll decide when I start applying. Alright, so eyeshadow is done, and my eyes are kind of watering bad, so I don't think this corner is going to stay well today, but I'm just going to leave it and move on. So now we are going to do liner, and it is what I have been using. It is Nor by Autonomy for my bottom waterline, and then the top is Private Society Leading Liner. Okay, liner is done, and for mascara I am using Wander Beauty Mile High. Eyes are done. I'm going to put on a gloss, and this is also by Private Society in Blush. Okay, so there is my finished look. I really love these glosses. They are pretty full coverage, so love that. So anyways, let's go ahead and talk about this palette. Obviously, it's really coolly packaged, and the colors are beautiful. They go on smoothly. With all these palettes, I have never experienced any fallout whatsoever. Like, I'm digging into it, and you can see that like it's not even all over the palette. It's pretty put. These, I think this one doesn't say that it's primer infused, but typically their palettes are primer infused, so I would think this one might be as well. And I find that the eyeshadows do work and stay in place all day. I don't really have any problems blending any of them. I think the formula for each and every one of them is beautiful, as you can see. I mean, when I swatched these, I didn't rub it back and forth. It was dip, pull, and look at that. Really great color payoff, pigment payoff there. So yes, great palette. Highly recommend. You should definitely check it out. If you liked this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.